best Gigabyte M27Q calibration settings full tutorial. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you the best Gigabyte M27Q calibration settings. So let's just directly jump onto the video. So first of all, you have to use the monitor's control button, usually a joystick or physical buttons, to navigate to the main menu. You can see behind this part of your monitor, and then you have to start by selecting a switchable picture mode. The standard or sRGB modes are good starting points. The sRGB mode is an emulation setting that clamps the color gamut closer to sRGB and adjusts the brightness to a comfortable level based on your environment and personal preferences. A settings of 50 nits of the standard mode, a settings of 38 is suggested by a Reddit user according to a Reddit thread, and increase the contrast to improve image clarity, and Tom's Hardware suggests settings 8 to 48 for standard mode, and a Reddit user suggested settings contrast to 50, and gamma correction influences the midtones of the image. Tom's Hardware suggested the gamma to 3 for standard mode. A Reddit user suggested setting gamma to 3, and adjust the color temperature to your liking. You can choose from presets like warm, cool, and the user settings allows for independent adjustments of red, green, and blue, and you can set red to 95, green to 98, and blue to 100 for user defined color temperature. And for the color vibrance, settings can be used to boost your color saturation and adjust the sharpness to fine tune my image clarity. A settings of 5 is suggested, and the response time setting control pixel response speed. The picture quality setting is a good default, and the picture speed or speed settings may introduce overshoot. And you can also do some custom presets like the OSD menu offers custom presets, custom 1, custom 2, custom 3, that allows you to save multiple sets of customized settings for different purposes. And if the monitor has KVM functionality, you can manage multiple devices connected to the monitor. This includes switching between input sources and configuring USB connections. So you can also consider the ambient lightings, and calibration is subjective, so adjust settings to your own preference. And for more precise calibration, consider using dedicated monitor calibration tools and software. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.